What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, we are going to do a Korean inspired boiled rice face masks, as I have been using this for like long time for like anti-aging, scarring. Like it is very good for texture skin. Like I have like a lot of texture skin, you can obviously see over here. So I've been using this and this has like really faded. You can see I used to have a lot of pimples over here and here. These are my concern areas, and also I have like two fine lines over here. You can obviously see like this way. Like I have been searching for face masks. I have been trying a lot of face masks at home, but nothing compared to this one. Like boiled rice obviously works so much. That's why Chinese, Koreans, I don't know who they are. I'm really sorry if you're watching, if you're a Chinese, if you're Korean, but they like infuse everything with rice. Like rice is their everything. So today I'm here to share my journey of boiled rice face masks with you guys. So before I dive into video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video you get notified. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Without any babble, I'm going to straight dive into the video and the ingredients I need for this. First, you obviously need some rice, cooked rice. Like obviously the main ingredient, cooked rice. I hope you can see the cooked rice here. Yeah, you can see, not rice, sorry, rice. So the rice you need. Next you're going to need the water from the boiled rice. Like this is the water. After boiling rice you will get this. This is like, what is this? Like you need the boiled rice water. This is how it looks. It's very thick. I hope you can see. This is like, you don't have to like overcook it, you don't have to undercook it, you don't have to prepare it like in an extra way or nothing. Just boiled rice enough to like engulf or eat itself. Then you need some honey. This is like Dabur honey. I have another honey from, I don't know what kind of brand. This is like very nice honey. What honey is this? I don't know. If you have Manuka honey, it's like greatest, like bestest you can give to a skin. Or else you can have any honey. So I'm going to use this honey today. And Dabur honey is like concentrated with sugar. Like these are the normal honey you get in the store bought one. This is also this is also fine, but they're not like good enough. And lemon. Add this like this carrot, a whole sum of carrot, and some turmeric. Like turmeric, few turmeric fell away. So this is the turmeric. This is a wholesome turmeric. You get the powder version of in the market. This is also fine, but these are like the natural version, and I will recommend you using this. Disclaimer for you guys: if you want to get from north to south, like if you are black, and you want to get white, it doesn't happen. It never happens. You can't get fairer. It's a myth. You can get one or two shades lighter. So I'm not here to like bleach you up. If you want to bleach bleach the dash out of your skin, you can obviously, but your skin will die after that. But you shouldn't do that. And this is not a fairing mask. Like it can get you like 1 or 2 tone lighter, and this is like really I'm going to tell you the process. Like first, take the rice in a blender, blend it up, and cut some pieces of this carrot, not the whole carrot. Obviously, this is for the show, for the YouTube purpose. I have bought some carrot. Like cut few pieces, add in that blender, put some turmeric in it, give some like if the paste is like not so like runny or thick enough, if it's not blending, use this water. This is not milk, this is like rice water. If you have fermented rice water, I'm going to link that fermented rice water in my this eyes thing, wherever it is. I'm going to link that, check that up for sure. You can add fermented rice water. It is like very good for your skin. Like you can use this boiled rice for your hair. Like it had make my hair so thick. As you can see, my hair is not like this before. And then honey, use the honey, and then lemon. The enzyme of honey will die, the goodness of honey will die. So please add the honey and later last. So I'm going to go and make a thick paste of this everything by putting everything a bit and come back. There is no proportional ratio. do as much as you like to. You can store it in your fridge. I have like stored it for a week or so. Then it smells very funky. You can use it, but you don't want to use it. So I'm going to make a paste, come back. Okay, before that, you have to wash your face. I'm going to go wash my face.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm back with my this face masks. This is not the total amount I've made. I have made like a whole month worth of face masks. And you know how weird it is, like when your effing neighbors watch you film. Like they're so weird. As don't have proper lighting, I have to open my windows while filming, and they keep on staring. Whenever I start filming, they come to their terrace and like they stare at me. Weird. This is how I apply the fake booty guru. So apply your mask generously. Usually I apply this mask in my underarm also. Like it brightens my underarm up like to a like very high proportion. I have like watched the difference. I am going to apply this to my lips also. And people who are forgetting their neck while applying face masks and or like face sheet masks, whatever you're applying, please do apply to your neck also. You are going to hell if you're not applying your mask, as they age very fast. Your neck, your hand, they tend to age fast. So please apply your mask over here. So this is how I apply my mask. Like I have seen people faking like they don't put mask around here, this eye portion, but guys, trust me, I do. Like I do face masks over here because they need the care. I don't have a lot of money to like applying Jojo Mani's eye cream over there. I apply this instead of this. I'm a broke person. Somebody asked me in my that some other face mask video, I don't remember actually, in my Instagram, that should I eat these masks? No, you don't. You don't eat mask. They are for external use. Like, who are these people? Like, I'm not dragging you or something, but you shouldn't eat your mask. So I'm going to keep it for 30 minutes and come back and show you my glow.
One eternity
So as you
later.
can see guys, I'm back after washing my face, and this is how my face look like it's reflecting. I hope you can see. I haven't applied any moisturizer or anything, but this thing is reflecting from far away. You can see this is not a glowing mask, but still it gives my face so much glow to it. I guess that's the honey or turmeric, and something is doing that. But the rice, the main fact, it's very anti-aging. It is very like good for your hyperpigmentation. Like I use this in my underarms and inner part of my thighs, and they worked like wonder. I have like tried many ointments and many medications for my underarms, as they were like really dry, as I was like heavy weighted, and now after losing weight they were like really pigmented. So I wanted to like reduce that, but the ointment worked, but the rice like did the magic, and that's why the Koreans, the Chinese, they stand by it. Please do try it for yourself for a month and see the result for yourself. So I'm not going to babble a lot. So it is an anti-aging mask, and it's going to remove every hyperpigmentation, so you can't see a difference in one mask, and I can't tell you a difference in one mask. Only a glowing mask or a brightening mask, they can show the effect in one go, like you can see a visible kind of difference in camera, but it's like I can't show you the difference. You have to try it for yourself. But as you can see, my skin, it's for the honey, I guess. It's moisturizes my skin so well. So now I'm going to use my moisturizer, daily moisturizer. This is Physioactive. This is fragment free, paraben free, non-irritating, non-comedogenic, dermatologically tested, and everything free and all. I'm with a green sign. I know this much of the dollop of this, and apply it to my face. I apply this to my lips also, but my lips are like really chapped and I can't find my lip balm nearby me. And don't like drag your face down, not always massage your face upward, and always try to pat it down, and it helps to absorb your skin really fast. Like you will feel like nothing is working, you have to drag. No, that's wrong. You have to pat. Like it will reduce the aging process. It will not reduce, it will like delay the aging process of your skin. The way you treat your skin, the way you rub your skin, the way you rub your under eyes is going to like affect your skin. So do this guys, try this mask for yourself. If you feel happy, let me know. So before I go, please subscribe, give it a like. Filming in front of this weird neighbors who are still watching me and gazing me from this long. It's been an hour and so, but they are still standing. So I need a bit of push from you guys. Please subscribe and please like this video if you try this mask. Please let me know in my Instagram or in comments how you feel about this mask. It should take a long time to see the results, but the rice work very well. So that's all for today, guys. Please subscribe, give it a push, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.